How to reconfigure the hearing aid with a different receiver. Have your hearing aids and the new receivers in front of you. Connect the hearing aids to the fitting software. Change the receivers before starting the software. Replace the receivers by using your fingernail to slide down the colored release button and gently pull the receiver to detach. Insert the new receiver and gently press the receiver until it clicks into place and is firmly seated. The fitting software will automatically detect that the receivers are being replaced. The information of the replaced receivers is shown to confirm the change. Recalibrate the hearing aids with the new receivers attached. The hearing aids are now ready to be used with the new receivers.